Multitasking is now possible on your iPhone, thanks to an awesome utility called LiveContainer. It doesn't require a jailbreak, which is very impressive. I'll be showing you how to sideload it onto your iPhone or iPad and set it up properly without a computer. The best way to do this without a computer is by getting a developer certificate from a service like KravaSign. KravaSign is extremely affordable for sideloading unlimited apps without restrictions compared to getting your own developer account, which costs $99 per year. The standard plan can work for this. If you have multiple Apple devices, then the professional plan is an incredible deal and offers more benefits. I recommend the professional plan for the device replacement warranty, but the choice is yours. Getting started is very simple and straightforward. Just submit your purchase in their Discord server, and within 3 days, you'll be ready to install whatever you want for a year. They have their own KravaSigner app to sign and install IPA files, which are similar to APK files on Android. But for now, I'm just going to use my certificate files with their online signer to install LiveContainer. Go to the LiveContainer repo on GitHub to download the latest release. You can find the IPA file under the Assets. Before installing LiveContainer, we need to sign it in a different way for it to work correctly, since it's different from other apps. Go to the mobilepro.vision website and select your development mobile provision file from the KravaSign certificates. Look at your app ID, which will be different from mine. Ignore the first part of it, then copy everything after, like I'm doing here.
I'm using the online KravaSigner here.
Select the LiveContainer IPA file and your development certificate files. It needs to be the development certificate type, not distribution. Enter the password for your P12 file, and then paste the thing we copied before this into bundle ID, which changes it. Remember, yours will be different from mine. Now sign and install it. LiveContainer will appear on your home screen. Open it and then go to Settings to import your development certificate near JITless. Remember to select the development certificate again, not the distribution certificate. Now install some IPA files in the app section that you want to multitask with in LiveContainer. Long press on each one, tap Settings, and then convert to Shared App. Now you can long press on those apps and select Multitask to start multitasking.